Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API token revoked error. This error usually happens when the Slack token you are using have been revoked, expired, or replaced with a newer one. First, just go ahead and go to your Slack app settings. Just go to app.slack.com and go to OAuth and permissions. From here, just go ahead and click on Reinstall to your Workspace to generate a fresh bot user OAuth token that starts with xoxb. After reinstalling, just go ahead and click on Copy and copy the new token and replace the old token in your code or integration. Also, make sure the token that you are trying to use belongs to the same Slack workspace that you are testing. Also, just go ahead and verify that important scopes like read scope, join scope, and write scopes are added to your app. Finally, just go ahead and test your API request once again using the updated token. And in most cases, the token revoke error is fixed once the token is replaced with the latest active token. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack token revoked error by reinstalling the app, generating a new token, updating the integration, and checking the app scope. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.